So it's officially back to school season, the start of my second semester, and I am not ready yet. So for today's vlog, you're gonna join me as I get ready or prepare for school, for college. And I'm so excited since the first thing that we will do today is go back to school shopping, which is the best part. Okay, so time for some quick haul. Okay, so first thing I got from Fully Booked is this filed pencil case. Ta-da! This is my favorite pencil case because when you just do this, para kang may pen holder habang nag-aaral ka anywhere, anytime. Pastel pink na clear book. Since there's like a theme going on, puro pink yung ang school stuff ko to motivate me to study. So, I just got like paper clips. And then moving on to typo, actually ang dami nagtatanong sa akin every time I buy something from here and then I post it on my Instagram. Like, people go crazy over my DMs. Like, where did I get it? I find a lot of cute stuff there at Typo. Like, Typo, please sponsor me. Manifesting. So, these are the notebooks that I got. I love notebooks like this, yung malaki. Para usually isang lesson, one page lang. Tapos nakikita ko lahat. I love the statement of this one. It just says, it's okay to have no idea what you're doing. Me. And when I went there, may promo sila na buy two, get one free. So, I got this notebook. Like, where can you find cute notebooks like this? Only at Typo. And then, I also got this tumbler. We actually have a lot of tumblers already, but I got this one because I think it's just the right size. Kasi, pag sobrang laki, mabigat siya, and I actually have scoliosis. So, anything na para mabawasan yung load ng bag ko would be such a great help. Fun, and it claims to keep my beverage hot or cold. And then I went to Muji. Actually, this is my first time to buy Muji pens. Wala lang, kasi nung student talaga ako na hindi pa ako kumikita dito sa YouTube. Like, ano lang ako guys, HBB, ganon. Since now I can buy them, I just wanna know what's the hype about. So I got all the colors. Why is it so loud outside? I also got like 3 black ones. I'll be going to National Bookstore this week after my drafting class. Pag na-meet ko na yung prof ko, I need to know what are the materials that we need in that subject. Kasi nag-drafting class rin ako nung high school ako. Tapos kakaiba yung mga pens na kailangan doon and like T-square. I don't know if I need it this semester. So excited to meet my professor kasi gusto ko na mag-National Bookstore. Kaya lang talaga yung nagpapa-excite sa akin para mag-aral guys. So mga back to school shopping. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section if you feel the same. Okay, so this is the part where I fix my desk. And this is what it looks like right now. It's super messy. Everything's all over the place. I do a lot of things in here. I actually do my makeup also here. But now it's time for a change since it's back to school. Aesthetic desk inspos I pinned on my Pinterest. Basically, the whole vibe is to keep my workspace not too cluttered, but still cute at the same time. Actually, I can use this desk in 2 ways. This is the first one, and I'm gonna unscrew it so you guys can see the other one. Kasi may gusto kong i-display na shelf. So, I'm just gonna do this on my own. And then I also have this shelf. I've been wanting to use this for a long time now. But yun nga, I just need space on my desk kasi hindi ako basta-basta pwede mag-drill. Actually, dapat nakadikit to sa wall. I also have some washi tapes in here. This one is a flower, and this one's a gummy bear. I don't know why I bought ball pens pa, but I have these like existing na mga parang pastel colored pens. Just organize my pen by kind. Friction highlighters, colored pens. I also have this floppy disk. I just got this online. It's just made up of screws, like random screws, highlighters, correction tape. Next, I have to organize my drawers. They're super messy right now and unorganized. So let's start. Close that. Organize them by kind. Tapes, ball pens, sticky notes, washi tape, art materials, adhesive, my calculator, battery. Next is my cord system. This is my favorite extension cord. Actually, I have 4 of these. One on my dining room, here at my desk, upstairs, and one for traveling. Like, nakalagay lang siya sa maleta ko. So, this one's really useful. And then I want to stick this into my table using this one. I actually got this from any hardware store. And then, I'm going to organize my cords using this as well. Para siyang cord separator. Ayan, and then it comes with a sticky thing na at the back. So this is what my desk looks like right now. I'm happy with the way it turned out. It feels a lot more cleaner and organized. So now that I've organized physically, it's time to organize digitally. But first things first, I'm gonna use this thing. You use it to clean your screen. So you just spray it and then you do this. Ta-da! Alam niyo parang yung principle pag naglilinis ng car window, that's what's up. Ooh, this is so satisfying. You can also clean your phone, yung parang mga fingerprints. So yung desktop ko, it could get really messy kasi mayat-maya akong nagsisave tapos hindi ko naman agad nare-renew. So, that's what we're going to fix right now. And it's also time to delete some stuff in here na hindi ko naman kailangan. I'm also gonna make a folder for each subject that I have. Hello everyone! We are now on the glow up part of this vlog. Of course, since it's back to school, I also have to prepare a bit physically. And actually, I'm on the way to the salon now. There's a nearby salon in our neighborhood. Tapos, magpapatrim lang naman ako ng hair kasi feeling ko ang dry-dry na talaga ng mga ends ng hair ko. I'm also gonna ask for long layers kasi yung curtain bangs ko usually hanggang chin lang. Also, I'm gonna go to the National Bookstore. Bibili ko na yung mga materials na kailangan for drafting. And then, I'm gonna go home and do the DIY facial at home thingy na binili ko. Parang bumili ako ng mga steamer. Actually, that's exciting. Later yun, papakita ko sa inyo.
Sometimes you're physically bound down, but mentally gone 10 years ahead. You dream of something you don't really want, and when you return, everyone has moved on. Follow tradition, you do this and that. Place a rock on a stone, no, it won't bring them back. The morning waiting for this pain to pass.
Hi guys, so it's time for some DIY facial at home. I have like a kit over here. First things first, we light this candle. The steamer. Itong steamer na to, may specific amount of water lang siya na allowed. So, it comes with a cup. This is my favorite hairbrush. Alam niyo, pag mahaba yung hair niyo, to pag nagsusuklay kayo, ang hirap kasi may sabit. But with this one, it's a detangling comb. So, it's very effortless to brush your hair. Just gonna steam my face. And then after that, I proceed to using this, a skin scrubber or a skin spatula. This is used to exfoliate and get rid of all the blackheads and the whiteheads existing on your face. It's not super ideal to do this every time, although it's satisfying, of course. May mga nakita ko sa TikTok na gumagamit nito. When you do this, make sure that your face is wet para hindi masugat yung face nyo. Focus it more on my nose kasi dun ako may blackheads. Or just to get rid of all the gunk, I'm gonna use micellar water. Moisturize my lips. May onting lash extensions pa ako natitira. I'm gonna use this lash shampoo. I started using this when I went to the hospital because of an eyelash or an eye infection caused by my eyelash extensions, which is kind of scary. Matagal naman na ako nag-eyelash extension, pero for some reason, nagkaroon ako ng infection nun. So, I just bought na lang yung lash shampoo talaga. Eyelash fan. And then I go in with my favorite serum, all-time favorite. Face mask. Facial roller. I'm just gonna wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Whatever is the excess, I just put that on my neck. And then I go in with the Lanvena rose patches. Okay, now that I'm done, it's time to paint my nails. I'm using this one from Sunny's Face, yung Taro. It's the pastel purple one. So I'm done painting my nails, and while I'm waiting for this to dry, I just wanna talk to you guys and catch up with you. Anyway, I am really scared, anxious, and excited at the same time for back to school. It's our second semester. And kabilang kasi ako sa batch na na-cut agad yung year or yung SEM because of the pandemic. So basically, I spent almost all my college life online. And it's been hard because technically I don't have that much friends at school because number 1, the pandemic happened. Number 2, I don't have an org. And then number 3 would be work. Of course, I do YouTube work here. So ayun, I'm really looking forward to finding new friends this semester. Hopefully, dahil transferee ako and wala akong block section. So every class that I have, I don't have like permanent classmates. But anyway, this semester I have 18 units plus PE. And I thought that instead of making up excuses na busy ako sa school, why don't I just take you guys along with me? So expect more school vlogs, productivity vlogs here on this channel. So I hope to see you guys more here if you're into those kind of content. Okay, so my audio sucks sa mga clips na to, but I'm just gonna do a voiceover of the outfit details. Top is from Siders, skirt is from Brandy Melville, and then I'm wearing the Nike Air Force Ones, and then my Fjällräven Kanken bag, wherein I'll give you guys a what's in my backpack video in just a bit, and then my glasses are also from Sunny Specs. Okay, so it's time for me to do a what's in my backpack segment for this vlog. And by the way, this backpack is from the brand Fjällräven Kanken. First things first, on the pocket over here, I have my ID. Pangin ko sa ID ko, guys. So, hindi ko na mapakita. Then, the tumbler that you guys saw a while ago. So, the first zipper contains my hairbrush. This is the wet brush. Ang tagal na neto sa akin, guys. May kasama siyang mirror. I have a hair clamp just to put my hair away from my face. Alcohol. Super thin niya lang. Cute. And then next are my keys. I have the Sunny's Face keychain and yung base use ba to? Or I don't know how to pronounce the brand, but the purpose of this one is i-connect mo siya sa phone mo. Tapos pag nawawala siya, you can just search it through your phone. So this one's super useful. So when you open this, I have in here my parang mga electronics. Kasi minsan kapag free time ko, nag-i-edit lang ako. I also have an umbrella, a pouch, again. And this one's from Sunny's Face. Actually, itong pouch na to, super fan ako ng mga pouch ng Sunny's. Pag naglabas sila, add to cart ko kaagad. And then I have ECPC wet wipe. And meron din ako yung contact lens solution. Then I have in here like a PH Care na sachet. And I have my Issey & Co base products for contour and concealer. Itong Lucky Beauty na powder. I love this one. I'm in the shade Kaki. May blurring effect talaga siya sa face. Mascara na to. Nakuha ko to sa Japan. This is the Heroin Make Mascara. And then yung lip and cheek tint ko is from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. What are the other junk in this bag? Ang funny, ang ironic. Yung chocolate ko, guys, it's called GABA for Sleep. Hindi siya super effective sa akin. I just eat it as a chocolate. I don't know why. Here, my AirPods Max. Ang bilis madumihan kasi ng part ng AirPods Max. So, the silicone thingy really helped. Then, this is my pencil case, you guys know. And, grabe, sobrang saya ko, by the way. Guys, meron ng pastel pencil. Yung, ano nga brand neto? Yung Stabilo. As in, ayan no. Look how pretty! Also have like scissors here. It's just tiny. Oh, and this, ano nga tawag dito? I forgot. And then my wallet. And by the way, what I love about this notebook is that when you open it, merong parang sleeve here na pwede kang maglagay ng something because it has a pocket. So, if may mga loose papers ka, tapos tinatamad ka pa ilagay sa folder mo, you can just shoot it here. I also have my planner here. This one is from Typo as well. I also have this pink portfolio. My laptop case matches this pouch over here. They're both from Sunny's Face. Also, a pocket over here, it just contains all of my triangles, my ruler. So yeah, that's what's in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!